Hey, what's up? In this video, we are going to talk about the iPhone 13, 13 Pro, 13 Mini, 12s Mini, whatever the name is gonna be, right? First of all, we are not really sure about the name. Can't believe it. There's a flight. What's up, mate? I'm making a video. What's up with these planes, trains disturbing me while making videos? There you go. iPhone 13. iPhone 13 will be coming up next month. I'm really pumped up for this iPhone, and actually, I'm not really sure because rumors don't suggest that we are going to see a revolutionized design or anything. It is gonna look basically the same except for the 13, 13 mini, and yeah, basically those devices will have a diagonal lenses setup, and for them, like for the big boys, Pro and Pro Max, because I was considering if I would upgrade, I would upgrade to the Pro or Pro Max. To be very honest, till now I don't really think so that there is actually any need for me to upgrade to the upcoming iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max, because the changes are just the info we have, by the way, till now. It just suggests that the changes will be really minimal, and it will be basically an S year, and S year are just speed improvements and basically some tweaks. What do I think that Apple will do in this September event and iPhone 13? Who should get the iPhone 13? Let's talk about that. So if you are holding on to your iPhone 7, 8 or even 10, I would say, like, for you guys it will be a really great device. Another plane sound. Okay, anyways, from planes, trains, and all these things disturbing us in making video, let's switch the place. Okay, so we are in the basketball court right now, and actually now this place seems a bit quiet, so let's talk about iPhone 13 here. Alright, for those people who are holding on to their iPhone 7, 8 and even 10, for those people, in my opinion, it will be a really great update. And as you can see these renders by Apple Tomorrow, he's one of my mates, and you should check him out on Twitter and on Instagram. He makes some dope renders, one of the best in this game, so you can check him out. A link will be in the description. Anyways, iPhone 13, it will also come with 25 watt of fast charging, which will be a really great and neat addition in my opinion. Like we have 20 watt charging since the iPhone 10, and after that I don't really think so Apple did bumped up the charging speeds, as like the highest wattage adapter that is available is 20 watt. Now even we don't get adapter in the box. Sad. Anyways, talking about the cameras will have really great improvements this year. And you know what? Just right now, a while back, I said that I won't upgrade because changes won't be big, and now I'm saying that camera changes will be big. So the camera changes do not matter in my buying decision, even though I may eventually buy it just to make videos for you guys. But anyways, for like my primary device, I don't really think so. This device, like iPhone 12, will be coming out of my pocket, and I will be giving this device to Apple for trade-in or something anytime soon. The new iPhone time is right around the corner, and I know you guys are really excited for it. If you are, consider hitting that subscribe button, because I will be doing a lot of videos on that, and I'm sure you guys do not want to miss them, right? Talking about the cameras upgrade, cameras will be getting bigger. Yes, it will be. For people who are using 12 Pro Max, it won't matter that much. 12 Pro Max camera did got bumped up to that sensor shift, and all that technology did got in that phone last year. But for users on the Pro and on the iPhone 12 series, it will be a big deal because sensor shift technology is coming up on the iPhone 13, which may not seem like a huge deal, but it is. You know what? I really do not like my camera. Like, I don't really think so there is till now any camera that is as good as like iPhones in terms of stabilization, and my camera is not at all good at stabilization. I mean, I really like this camera. This is a ZV-1. I really like this camera for what it is, but the stabilization on pretty much all cameras are not the best, like not even close to iPhones. And the sensor shift on iPhone 12 Pro Max is just Awesome. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, hit that like button, comment down below that are you guys upgrading this year or not. I will meet you all in the very next episode. Peace.